Let's do a garden update. It is Friday the 13th of June. My nasturtiums are blooming. These are up on the porch. Starting to bloom. I thought they were going to bloom white, but they're red. Nice. You can eat these. Everything. Leaves and all. I grew a lot of nasturtiums from seed. And this one has a little marigold underneath of it. Have big marigolds. I didn't plant them, I bought them. All the marigolds that you see blooming, I bought. This is Greek parsley. It's good with eggs. My cannas, they're getting big. Pepper plant. There's a pepper plant there. It's kind of like off. I don't know what's going on with these things here. I don't know what these are. I'm pretty sure that's a pepper plant. I don't know. Let's see. It's Cubanelles. Blue-eyed beauties, they're doing good. Cannas. So that was a seed. That marigold was seed. And the ones under those nasturtiums, they were seeds. I was going to put my pepper plant in there or some others that are in the other pots, but marigolds. That one there came up from last year. Put some marigolds under the mailbox. Again, these are all, I bought them. So they were like, what was it, like a flat of 32 was like, I don't know, 16, 17 bucks. There's a lot of plants, so yeah. Let's go over to the greens. Here's my Swiss chard. It's doing pretty good. I could probably cut some of it. My lettuce, I gotta cut it. Swiss chard. Here's my Boston pickles. A lot of flowers. A lot of flowers. I don't see any pickles yet, but I got a lot of flowers. We'll see. Oh yeah, here's a pickle. Yeah. I don't know what that noise is. That's a marigold there. It's getting huge. And these are my regular pickles that I did last year. And so are these. I got a marigold in there too. Put them in the corner. But so far, yeah, got a lot of flowers. It's supposed to rain, so I'm gonna wait. That's that. More of my blue-eye beauties. That's a marigold. I'm gonna wait till that dries up. I'm gonna see those seeds. That's a pepper plant back there, and that's a pepper plant there. This here is strawberry. That's a strawberry plant. I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I bought these strawberry plants from some lady. They were a rip-off. Sunflowers. That one is getting huge. Look at that thing, man. They're just supposed to be dwarf sunflowers. Getting gigantic. That one don't look too good. It needs water probably. But these look good. Yeah, I don't know. I need to water them. Let's see if I can get that to come back. These here are all vincas. We'll see what they do. I don't know. And more sunflowers. Or not sunflowers. Marigolds. Let's go out to see the dogwoods. That's a volunteer sunflower. This is where I had them last year in that pot, so I must have dropped some seeds. Look at my red twig dogwoods. They're gigantic, man. They're really doing good. Look really nice. They're getting really big. They're gonna block this whole area. Really nice. I didn't notice a lot of red over the winter though, but that's alright. And these are the yellow twigs. They're getting big too. Little flowers. Got a lot of weeds, man. I got berries. I never noticed that berries. I wonder if they're gonna turn into flowers or something. Choking on that piece of parsley I ate. But these are getting big. They're doing really good. Nice and healthy. They look good. And I forget what this is. Daylily? This thing is gigantic, man. This thing got really big. Really got big. I can't believe how big it got. I don't know if you remember, but this used to be about as big as a bowling ball. And now look at it, it's going to bloom soon. All these blooms, they're going to pop. Let's go. Got a lot of weeds. But anyway, that's the garden. I got to go water stuff. Catch us later. Be well. Plant something. It's not too late. Get to going.